We have this FX35 from what I remember, and we're doing a front right ABS sensor on it. Let's see. So I just ran the code and it's saying right front sensor. This is under the ABS. So this is basically a speed sensor, and we'll go ahead and show you how to do it. So first you got to take the wheel off. This is held by 521mm lug nuts. And then you want to get down here, locate your sensor. It is right here. And it's a 10mm. I'm not sure how much you can see. Let me see if I can get to my phone to give you some light. There's enough light here, but not on the... Oops. Alright. It's just so dim. Here you go. Alright, so this is the ABS sensor. Alright, should come out fairly easy. If you live in the Rust Belt, good luck taking it out that easy. It looks like it's broken, so that tells me I should probably clean this hole. If yours look like this, obviously it's not working, but you should definitely clean the hole. I'm gonna grab brake cleaner and see if I can clean this. Alright, so I apologize. I was taking you guys through the process, but I didn't notice that my camera stopped recording. So I actually removed the wire, or the connector right here. So this is the new one, but I'll show you as if it's the old one. This thing is right here, comes out, and then there's the keeper right here, take it out. And then there's another one right here, you take it out. There's two other right here in this style. Right there, like this. You take them out. You take out this one, and then you got to take out the clip that holds it right here, and another clip that holds it up here, right there. And then what you want to do is you want to peel this back. And then expose the connector right there. This connector is in this location, and it has two pins. And the connector, you just disconnect it from here, pull it, and then undo this with something like that. Same thing you will use to remove the clips. And then you install the same one, same way. So as I said, this will come out right here. That's its clip under. You connect the new one, plug it in. Push it in the clips, and then push this one in, push this one back. You can put this cover after, and then this will go in just like this, that, and this one, and then the fifth one. So it should be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you gotta put this brand new one in there. Looks a little bit stupid, but it's okay. It's gonna work. Okay. And you get your 10mm. All right. About 10 foot-pounds worth of tightening, or worth of torque, and that's it. Alright, so realistically, when we run the codes on the car, again, this shouldn't be a current code. So right here it's showing current. So if I go back, turn on the car, well, not turn on the car, and just put in accessory mode, go back into anti-lock brake system, ABS, blah blah blah, read DTC. Alright, see that right there? It says passed. So problem is fixed. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is clear, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the wheel back. Alright, I'm gonna make sure everything is in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. I'm gonna go ahead and put this wheel in there. Alright. With the socket. Oops. This is supposed to be a 21, but unfortunately it's not anymore because somebody messed it up. So I have to use the bigger size. Alright, now that we got them all. Always use cross pattern or star pattern. Alright. Now, if you notice, I made a critical mistake. I forgot to put these stupid shields back. But it's actually pretty easy. Alright. So one goes in here. I think this one's messed up, but it'll work. Alright. And the other one. That one's also messed up. I don't know how. Put it right in there. Alright, it's in. Okay, that's basically it. Gonna go ahead and drop the car. Gonna go ahead and do something, but this is basically it for the video. If you have any questions, please let me know. See you later.